Hey, what's going on? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 3-in-1 treadmill that I think it's super convenient to have for when you're working from home and want to have your morning cardio routine or just working out like in a regular basis every day, because this one is super easy to transport. As you can see, it has wheels. This one actually you can put it like in the horizontal mode, so you're gonna have just a walking pad, which I think is super cool to work when you're on your desktop. For example, when you're just working on your desk and using your desktop computer or your laptop and just working from home, that could be really good. And then when you put it in storage mode, you can actually put it like underneath the sofa or underneath the bed. So that's actually something super cool as well. So some of the things that I like, it comes with the instruction manual, which is super easy to follow. You won't need to do too much about it. There's no installation process or anything. It also comes with a remote control, which I think it's super convenient to operate while you're just like on top of it, and avoid just using the top panel. And talking about the top panel, you have the start and pause right here, the stop to manage the speed up and down, and then you have the 3 and 6 miles per hour. And this thing supports up to 300 pounds, and you can get it to a speed of 7.5 miles per hour. And if you don't want to binge watch your favorite TV show in front of the TV, you can actually use this holder to put your tablet and just watch it from here. But what I really like is how easy it is to operate. So I'm right here with the remote controller. I have a virtual run right here in front of my TV, so I will be walking and running along the virtual run, kind of like thinking of going to that place or something like that. And then you just press play, and it's gonna start like in the slow with the countdown. And then it started with the super slow by walking, and you have the display there so you can actually watch the speed and everything else. And by the way, this one also comes with an app that you can actually use this QR code to connect it with the app and Wi-Fi. So you have all the measurements and everything there. So then I can manage the speed with just right here with this panel, or I can just use the remote controller, and I'm going up. Now it's 1.5. I'm gonna try to go to 3. It's 2.5 now. And you can see that it's picking up. Now it's 3. So let's set it like a fast-paced walking speed, which is 4. So now it's 4. I'm going kind of like along the way right here with the virtual run, which I think is pretty cool. So let's add a little bit of running. 5. And the pace that I like is 6. 6 is my kind of like comfort zone, and you can see that it's perfectly fine on managing my weight, and there is no bouncing because it has like a shock-proof thing. I'm getting tired already, and I already hit my morning cardio this morning, but this is perfect. It has the speed right there, it has the calorie count, it has the miles per hour and how many miles I'm running. And then look at this, if I hit stop, see, slowly going down. It's not that it's just like stopping. It's kind of like going down and slowing down my pace and my breathing for sure. And then it stops. Super easy to use, super convenient. Where you can put it in storage mode for sure, just by releasing these locks right here on the sides and putting this back. I'm running out of breath. I already hit my cardio this morning and this thing, and I love it. It works really good. It's kind of like help you with the storage and lack of space. And by the way, right here is a secure lock. So if this runs off or just like getting kind of like in your clothes or something like that, that's it. It won't work. It will stop right away. Super good. I like it. And now it's in safe mode. I like it. I will totally recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.